You have a date, right?
No, it's
To whom?
It is not a date.
Oh, it's not a date. Is he coming now?
Check my phone. I didn't think about it.
Maybe he's coming now. Yun, paalis si Michael. Iwanan niya kami ni Casey. Susunduin siya ng kanyang kaibigan. And niloloko siya. Sabi ko, saan ka makikipag-date? And sabi niya, hindi daw siya makikipag-date. Ayun, so lakad yan, lakad lalaki. Meron silang pupuntahan na meron silang bibilin, gano'n. So, yun, mga panlalaking stuff. Mga pinagkakabalahan nila sa buhay. Ayun. So, pupunta dito yung friend niya, sunduin siya. On the way na daw. Hello! Welcome back. Welcome back to our channel.
Want to come in a second? See the house?
Ikaw lang
Busy on the phone?
Yeah. I'm busy to film you. Yeah. Hello, guys.
Welcome. Come in.
How you doing, man?
I'm doing good. This is our home.
You first, it's fine. Hush, Casey, hush, hush.
Sorry, dog. All right, let's be friends.
It's okay. Yeah.
He's doing his job.
Have a seat.
Come here. So you're staying home?
Yeah.
Gonna be a man today.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Why not?
It's pretty open. There's a couple of.
Ready to go?
Yeah, it's running.
Yeah.
To see how well the signal was, and there was still.
Hey, we're gonna
Bye.
miss you.
Okay.
Have fun.
Be careful. Have fun. Bye-bye. Daddy's going. There. Iwan kami. His daddy's there. Daddy left us.